Hey guys, it's Randall from Diamond C. Let's check out one of these custom orders that came through our portal. This guy chose a PX210 and he equipped it with our max ramps, and instead of doing our steel cleats in the max ramps, he went for the wood floor for steel tracked equipment. One awesome feature about these max ramps is the way we do our hinge system. We conceal our second hinge inside the body that keeps it low profile and it keeps it out of harm's way. Also, it transfers the weight from the dovetail to the ramp so you don't get that kickback. As we move forward, let's talk about a couple standard features such as our pipe spools, our vacuum caps, and also our mid step, which allows you easy access when you have like a full width on there. We'll get back to this box here in just a minute. Another main thing to point out is that our engineered beam is 16 inches, it's taller, it's lighter, stronger, so you don't catch all that dead weight from the heavier beams. We get a lot of awesome feedback from these retractable steps. They're there when you need them, and they're tucked away when you don't. He also went with our HD V-tongue lid, which offers a 16-inch deep box when open, and then a nice solid deck to tie down stuff to when you're hauling. And instead of doing the manual jacks, he went with these hydraulic jacks. And that's what's stored in the box. Quick little up and down, and you're in business. Hey, thanks for running around this trailer with me. And for more option trailer videos, check us out on all our main social media, and maybe your trailer will be in the next featured video.